Okay, hello everyone. My name is Ziyad Kurniawan. We're doing the VCT database.
My name is Lando Muhammad.
Okay, this is our team. F1 is not here. This is this guy right here, and this is me. This is Lando. Okay, okay, I'm doing overview. So database overview. So there's Valorant, a popular game. It's called VCT, the esports name of it, and we're interested in that, and we're trying to make a database of player stats and so on. MongoDB for the Postgre SQL sort of data management, and then we have the data model itself, which is this is how we make it as a folder. We use Redis as the MongoDB reads from Redis, and then all the data and stuff, and then we use next.js. And this is the sort of set of what it would probably look like. So this is called ACS, which is like a score value of average combat score. And then next we have the hash, which is the same thing. It's like let's say the player is called tens, his team is sentinels, his agents are this, and so on and so forth. And then cache aside pattern core logic of how the MongoDB connects to the code and sort. Next, Nando.
This is the leaderboard architecture. This is just gonna set out like the leaderboard by itself, like set it about it. Find out the Redis for it, and then MongoDB will find out all the players in that IGN list, and then return it, and then resort the MongoDB results to match the Redis rank order. And then the next one is gonna be the performance benchmark. This is just the benchmark for like each leaderboard. Like it's you can see for the leaderboard is gonna be all log n and all of that stuff with the latency and the layer like Redis Z and then Redis hash, MongoDB, all of that stuff. And then the next one is gonna be the technology stack. So for front end, it's gonna be Next.js and Tailwind. For runtime, it's gonna be using Node.js. For the database primary, we'll be using MongoDB Atlas. For the cache bit, it's gonna be Redis. ORM is gonna be Mongoose. Reading client is gonna be /Redis. Deployment is gonna be using Vercel. And containerization is gonna be using Docker and Compose. And this is the dual right consistency. When the seed runs, every player is written both database automatically in sequence. So for each player, firstly we're gonna create MongoDB create and then Redis Ziyad. And if Redis go down, MongoDB will still has all of the data. The leaderboard endpoint will can fall back to the MongoDB if it falls down. And
Yeah,
if the Redis is up, yeah, MongoDB is gonna be required
it's
and
basically a backup thing.
yeah, technically backup. So if like Redis is down, it's gonna take out the from MongoDB. And this is the testing. This is the leaderboard.
For testing, let's just use the actual thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's okay. You can see it. Okay, so this is the leaderboard. We have 10 player Aspas to Boaster right now, and all the list of the agents they use, the teams that they are from, ACS and so forth. So we can sort by only paper X member. We have something in Forsaken only and stuff like that. Okay, player lookup. We can look up the player name. We can also press this player to go to that player lookup page. Let's press the goat himself Forsaken, and then we can see the agent pool. We got Astra, Oman, and Neon. He mainly plays Astra from the recent games, so that's why it's called Astra main. The KD ratio, and then we have match history. So this is by date. It's supposed to be by matches, but it only records one match on each of the three games they play per round. So yeah, we'd have 13 null and stuff like that, but it's supposed to be like
Of the match instead
total. It
of
should be like
one.
let's say he kills 60
Yeah.
in total, but only shows like one on the of the map. It should be like three maps, but only show one map. So that's why it's a bit weird. But
Yeah,
overall,
since all the
we're
playoff has 3 rounds.
if you're wondering where we get this data from, it's from vlr.gg, which is a very popular Valorant data website. And that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. F1 is not here.